everyone. Today we have the pleasure of speaking with Shun, who has just completed her engineering internship at Sololab Technology, Selangor. To kick things off, could you tell us a little bit about yourself and what drew you to an internship in engineering at Sololab?
My name is Shun and I'm currently studying aerospace engineering in University of West of England. I was drawn to sololab because of their innovative approach to labeling technology, and I was drawn by their dynamic working environment.
That's fantastic. Could you share some of the key projects or tasks that you were involved in during your internship?
I was involved in a project where I got to work on the whole production line from filling up to labeling machines. It was an exciting learning opportunity, especially understanding the practical applications of engineering concepts in the real world.
It sounds like you had some valuable experiences. What would you say was the most challenging aspect of your internship and how did you overcome it?
One of the most challenging aspects was designing. I had to learn how to think outside the box, and with lots of guidance from my fellow colleagues, I've learned to overcome it.
That's a great takeaway. How do you think this internship has prepared you for your future career in engineering?
This internship has definitely given me a solid foundation in designing and understanding the workflow for production lines. It has prepared me to tackle real-world engineering challenges, and I'm excited to apply what I learned here outside in my career.
Before we wrap up, do you have any advice for future interns at Sololab or those considering a career in engineering?
My advice would be to embrace every learning opportunity and to be innovative. Don't be afraid to ask for help, and engineering is all about innovation, so be curious and be proactive.
Thank you so much, Shun, for sharing your experiences and insights. We are sure that your journey at Sololab will inspire many future engineers. Best of luck in your future endeavors.
Thank you. Bye-bye.